Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 21st of November. The euro is falling across the board against most of its major counterparts as the Eurogroup meeting failed to arrive at an agreement on Greece. This comes one day after Moody's lowered France's rating by a single notch from AAA to AA1. The Eurogroup is now scheduled to meet again on Monday. The euro recorded a weekly low at 127.36 versus the US dollar overnight following the news on the failure to reach a deal on Greece. The Australian dollar is weakening for a second day as the minutes from the latest meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia were revealed, showing that the policy board continued to favour easing. Market participants should closely monitor the release of the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee minutes from their latest meeting. Oil is plummeting ahead of the crude oil inventory release later today after it had been rising on the back of the tensions in the Middle East. Gold and silver dropped against the US dollar as the greenback strengthened following commentary by the Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke, where he openly pressed politicians to resolve the fiscal cliff crisis. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 127.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 127.60. The dollar-yen pivot points at 81.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.05. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.90. The sterling dollar pivot points at 158.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 158.90. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 100.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.10. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 84.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 84.90. The gold pivot point is at 1717 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1720. The silver pivot point at 32.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.10. The US 500 is at 1368 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1368. And the UK 100 is at 5736 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5736. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the Bank of England MPC lending rate vote forecast at 0.90. In the US, we have the initial jobless claims forecast at 410,000 new jobs. Also, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment forecast to drop to 84.5. And also, the crude oil inventories forecast at 1 million barrels. And again, it's interesting to watch the JER30. The JER30, which follows the DAX, carried on its rebound off Friday's low when it temporarily broke below the 7,000 support. The German equity index rose to 7170, a 2.51% appreciation so far this week. It looks a bit soft early in the EU session today, however, minor retracements should be expected. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for the 21st of November. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.